Who in your network could benefit from what you offer? Please subscribe and be part of our journey. Your support truly matters. If networking is one of your best ways to find clients, but some of your referral partners don't have business to send your way, we can help change that. Simply connect those contacts with us. We'll help them land clients quickly, and in the process, they may have new business to refer right back to you. Now imagine this. Every time you talk to someone in your network, they say, "I'd refer you if I knew someone." We help turn that into, "I have someone for you right now." How? By helping your referral partners identify the exact people in their network who match their ideal client profile, then crafting an offer so compelling it gets a, "Yes, I want that." Our promise is simple. We help your referral partners get their next client before paying us. In fact, many of our customers make money before becoming paying clients themselves. The truth is, most businesses struggle with networking because of one thing, the learning curve. And it's not just about networking with Go High Level, it's about knowing how to use Go High Level to actually get results. Go High Level has tools for every type of business, but trying to use everything at once can feel overwhelming. That's why we start with what works fastest, permission-based follow-up. Here's why. When you have a list of people who've already said, "Yes, I want to hear from you," every email or text you send is an opportunity, not spam. It's the easiest way to increase sales without chasing cold leads. This is especially powerful for referral partners who want to send you business but aren't busy themselves. We help them get their own clients first, because when they're busy, they're also sending referrals your way. We even offer a 10 to 30-day trial with zero cost, no credit card required, and a guarantee will help your referral partner get their next client for free. If it's not the right fit, no hard feelings, they've gained a friend. Our method is simple but highly effective. First, we start by coaching businesses to activate their sphere of influence, capitalize on referrals, network with purpose, leverage social media, and run focused paid ad campaigns. Second, these combined efforts create a carefully curated list of financially qualified prospects, known as the 33 sold system, with the goal of identifying 33 high-potential clients as quickly as possible. Finally, we implement consistent, permission-based follow-up through emails and texts to convert prospects into loyal customers and drive growth. It's affordable, effective, and completely doable for any business ready to grow. Who in your network would send you a client today if they had one? That's your ideal referral partner and the perfect person to connect with us. In select industries, we help a customer land their first client fast by building strategic relationships with referral partners. Please visit humanbrainbox.com/refer and share a referral partner, someone you'd like us to connect with and help start getting clients fast. If you're finding value in our content and want to keep up with our latest videos, the best way to support us is by hitting that subscribe button. Subscribing helps our channel grow and makes sure you never miss out on the helpful tips, insights, and updates we share regularly. We're on a mission to reach as many subscribers as possible in the next month, and your support means the world to us. Subscriber, help us make this channel something amazing.